kind of trying to doubt that we're gonna do this bigger flat. So obviously there's a obvious flat here. The reason why I'm saying this is more likely not the chance of going down here, etc., is because we should be in a wave 3. So even if we're in a wave 3, I mean wave 4, like we're already retracing 3-2 here, more than pretty much a 3-2. Wave 3-2 retracement wave 4. Boom, 3-2. We pretty much hit 3-2 right here. You know, pretty damn close. 0.5s here, and that's the 1.23. And obviously, our targets down here. I think my only area level is like 50, around here somewhere in this zone. And then we have the most liquidity of this whole move is at 51. So I would say we'd nuke. So I would start turning bearish and say we're not in a wave 3 and we're in some weird extended ABC or something. We probably should be looking for shorts more likely. But that being said, I'm thinking more of what can we do here? What gives us signs of what are the signs that can give us like something of ordinary here, of like an idea of us popping back up without breaking these lows? Because this is kind of the thing, is you have to understand these lows are so important. The reason why they're so important is because we had sessions here. We had sessions of like volume of just accumulating, or whatever they're doing up here, accumulating, distributing, whatever they were doing up here for 27 days, means when we come down and break this lows, we got 27 days of this long liquidity here ready to get wrecked. So that would mean it's a steamroll over. And then I wouldn't say we're bullish anymore. We'd expect to see a lot lower, and would come down a lot lower, like really hella low. So for me, I just don't think that should be the case, okay? Just because EUT was we shouldn't be retracing more than a 0.5 fib, that would mean that we'd probably break the 0.5 fib for a wave 4. It's just unlikely. So that being said, what I'm looking for is something that's going to give us an idea of some sort of thing. So main idea is obviously this is a 3-wave structure to the downside. We know that for sure. And then there's a 3-wave structure to upside. And then this is not looking like 5 waves right now. It's kind of looking like a 3-wave structure, because we have a wave 1 here, a wave 2, and then we just have this, and there's no consolidating, and boom, 5 waves, right? So that being said, let's say we go throw one more low. We have to understand there's a possible ABC flat scenario here, and maybe it does a running flat. And the reason why I'm assuming the running flat is because the RSI here, we already broken these lows right here. You see that? That gives me the idea of like it could just be an ABC of some sort here, and it's a truncation here, A here, B wave, and then a C wave here, and it's just truncated. And then this would make a lot more sense, because that would be a 0.236, and then this would be the wave 5 here, up, going up. That would be the other one I have. The second the other one is maybe we're in some sort of triangle here, A, B, C here, like A here, B wave, C wave, D, E, and then this is a wave 4 here, and then we shoot back up right here. So that's the main idea I have for now. At the moment, this is pretty nice low, I've got to admit. We have a swing failure here, closed below, created divergence, obviously, and then on this low here, we create divergence here. So I already seen that this was already creating divergence here. So I was looking for longs actually, but I was getting a massage, so I kind of missed it. I think I was looking at WLD, but yeah. So that's the main thing I was looking at. So if we do throw another low, it's more likely, right? So if we do throw another low, you guys can just understand that it should be a wave 1 here. Let me delete some of these drawings. It should be a wave 1 here, a wave 1. It should be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 down, right? So it could just be a WXY right now, obviously, but maybe it's a wave 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and then 5 here, and then yes, somewhere around this area, and then pop back up. So that's the main thing I'm looking at right now. Really nothing else to say. Levels wise, we probably hit like every single thing for the past, like yesterday we hit every single level that's possibly can be hit. 1 second here. Yeah, so next level 62.8, which was an area we're looking at here on a daily, and then on the weekly, I think 62.8 was 62.8, yeah, right here, 63.2, 62.4. Yeah, so 62.8 was an area also. And then, yeah, so weekly, so far we're above the weekly that we just got tapped. And then we hit the monthly also here, which is the monthly make point roll. So really, we don't really have anything lower except 62,800. Do you guys have any questions?